Good. Many years, maybe he forgets he wants to be a treasure box. He forgets it. But then one night, there was a baby born. And they put the baby here. His name is
Jesus.
And Jesus is the best treasure of all. Do you know why?
God's son.
Yes, very good. Because he is God's son. He is the greatest treasure of all. What did tree number 2 want to be, Tom?
A strong boat.
A strong boat. He wanted to take kings and queens to many beautiful places. Did he get to do that?
No.
No, what was he?
It's a little
boat. A little boat. And what does the little boat do? Catch fish. In Taiwan, do you have a lot of boats?
Yes.
Yes, in the ocean, right? People will go fishing. And what happened to those boats? They become a little
Smell bad.
smelly. Yeah, they smell bad because of the fish, right?
Yes.
Do you think, how does he feel?
Bad.
He feels bad, he feels sad. Then, what happens one night?
On the boat.
And what is wrong?
Is have a big
Big
yes.
wind, right?
Yeah.
And the waves are going like this. And the people think, we are going to die. And what does Jesus do?
Jesus is sleeping.
He is sleeping. You are right, Jesus is sleeping. Even though the boat is going like this. And the people think, we are going to die. So what do they do?
Is Jesus go to die? They go to Texas and
What does Jesus do?
and Jesus is praise to God and says,
Very good. Can you raise your hand? Eva. This is one that I really like this Bible story because Jesus says to the water, and the water, it listens to Jesus. Why?
Jesus is God's son.
Yes, because he is God's son. And then the boat knows
Where need to go?
Jesus is the
King.
king. And he is not just any king. All of the kings in the world, he is the King of kings. He is the greatest king. And the boat is happy. What about the third tree? What does the third tree want to do? Tom?
Nothing. Be
No?
a tall and strong tree.
He wants to be a tall and strong tree. So when people look at him, they can say, "Whoa, that's a big tree." And it is pointing to God. It wants to point people to God. In Ali Mountain, do you have big trees? Yes. And maybe when people see the big tree, they think, oh, God made it. Did it get to be a big, tall tree?
No. It's make a crop.
Yes. How do you think he felt when he was cut down?
It's sad.
Very sad. His dream is broken. But he becomes a cross. And do you know what our cross is used for? They are used to kill people. How do you think he feels?
So bad.
So bad. Oh, now I am not a big tall tree, and now I am even going to have someone die on me. Oh, so bad. But what happens?
Jesus is gone.
Yes. And in the storybook it said that on Friday the tree feels very sad. Why? What is on Friday? Do you remember?
Jesus is God.
He died. But then in the book it said on Sunday he was not sad, he was happy. Why?
Because Jesus is come alive.
Very good. And so now when people look at the cross, do they feel sad?
No.
They know what?
Jesus died for us.
Yes, because he loves us. And now they see love. So God made
Manger.
the one in the manger, the greatest gift. He changed them. And God made you, right? So we are going to, in your green Bible books, write down, because this is not a true story. Some parts are true. The Bible stories are true. But what is not true?
It's not true.
The 3 trees, they can
Sing.
sing. That part is not true. We call it a legend. So we will write that down. You can get your green books and sit down.